Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Creative Notions. Isn't that a cute bag? Alright, let me guide the camera down here towards the table for you. Alright, so I've changed my table. I worked on it yesterday and I put it up on these tall, I don't know what they're called, but I got them at Walmart and they came in two different sizes. So now my table's higher. Now let's pull out. Everything here. Well, this here tells me this is a foam, and based on that, it's going to be something that's going to need some shape. Now the bag is a green and white striped. That's really nice. Let's set that aside here. Okay, we have our recipe, which is chocolate peanut butter pie. That looks pretty good. Okay. Let's see, we have a Kit Kat dark chocolate. I've never had one of those in the dark chocolate before. We have Maker Planner's journal cards. Look at that. Oh, here they are on the back. Let me get it up close here. Those will make good little bookmarks. I don't want to get too close because I don't want you to not be able to focus on them. "54 reversible cards, 2 3/4 by 4 inch. Well, that's pretty neat. Let's put that aside. Here's our little paperwork here. Welcoming spring. Alright, let's check out. So it's a bag. Let me show that. Hopefully there's no glare on that. This is what it's going to be, the Josie bag. There's a little bookmark. Let me open it up and take a look at the pattern. So it tells you all the supplies you need. Well, that's good. It's not on the back side for pages. How to put it together here. I hope that's not too dark. It looks like it's dark in here, and I don't know why. All my lights are working. I wonder if this light right here needs to be turned on. Hold on one second here. Let's see if that'll help any at all. I don't think that helped any, but let's see if it did or not. Now that I've moved my table up, it's almost like the lighting is off. I like the way the directions are large print too. Boy, you don't have to strain your eyes on that. Pretty good teaching on how to do that zipper right there too. That's good. Yeah, it shows you what the bag's going to look like on the back versus the front. And then here's your pattern so that you can make that. Let's back up a little bit. Okay. And then here's the accessories to the bag. So they've given you 2 zippers, 2 charms, and the handle set. That's pretty nice. It's nice when they give you the accessories. You don't have to go out looking for them. Alrighty, and then let's take a look at the fabric here. And here's our little Zappy Dot. Let's take a look at it. Get it out of there. It says, if you can read it, seeds sprout, tulips bloom, warm breeze. I can't make out what the other one says. Flying kites is at the bottom. Oh, chicks and bunnies, that's what it says. Chicks and bunnies. Gosh, okay. There you go. Well, let's check out this fabric. Oh my goodness, it's got a big old, really looks like a tight little knot on there. Oh, maybe not. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, so look at those cute chickens. That's some pretty fabric. Boy, look at the colors on that thing. Strawberries, rabbits, flowers. I think those are all chickens. I don't see any roosters in the bunch. Ooh, I like this. Those little fine, whoops, sorry about that, fine little polka dots. They're pink, gray, and then a little bit darker gray, but I wouldn't call it a black, and light pink. So 4 different shades there. This is pretty. This is strawberry plants. And then we have the dots on pink fabric instead of the gray. I don't know if that was gray or white. Oh, nope, that was white. Okay. And here's some pretty little flowers. Let's turn it right side up so we can see them. And then here's pink background with gray flowers. You can make out that pink background there. If you had to actually make that with a pencil, that would be a lot of fine lines in there. And there's some cute little flowers here, little rosebuds. And then our last one is, looks like a dark gray. I guess you could say black, but I don't feel like that's an actual black. More of a light gray. But that's pretty. Okay, let's make sure we got everything in the bag. It looks like we did. And then it just tells us about the different things, and it welcomes all the new subscribers. I don't know if y'all ever want to know the price of the things or not. I know some people want to know it. For example, this fabric here, it says, let me show you here's the little bunch here. And it says here that this is the value of $24. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fat quarters. Now here in my area, they're $3 a piece, so the Zappy Dot is $3.50. Of course, the recipe, it tells you about the recipe winner, but the recipe is actually free and it's donated by the subscribers. Vicki is trying to make a big, or not a big, but a recipe book. And by us donating, everybody gets to donate. She chooses one each month and puts it in. That's where this came from. You can see Sonia Jones donated this. So that's one of her favorite recipes. The journal cards, their value is $6. The bag kit, which included the handles, the zipper, and the charm, that is a $15 value. And this Pellon, which is the Flex, this is the foam I was talking to you about, that is $10 a yard. And this is a half a yard. And it says, let's see, the value, I missed it somewhere. Oh, okay, so it shows down here that the Creative Notions big value, the bag value, excuse me, I don't know where the word big is coming from, was $53.50 for everything in the bag here. And then on the back, it's got a 30-day craft room challenge. Well, that's it for this bag. This is really nice. I don't know if I'll make that bag or not. I'm not too much into making them with flex foam, but I probably will one time or another. Always a first. I will lay everything out here so that you guys can see it. This is a fantastic bag. Vicky's outdone herself again. I don't know how she keeps it up, to be truthful with you. Because I know she hasn't had any kind of polls where she's asked people what they would like to put in the bag and her choose it. And now I realize that I miscounted my fat quarters. There's actually 8. There's not 7 of them. I apologize for that. Here's all the contents. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching, and welcome to all my subscribers, the new ones.